Hello students, it's Samantha. Today in natural science, we are going to talk more about animals. Specifically, we are going to talk about types of vertebrates. Vertebrates are animals that have a backbone. Vertebrates are animals that have a backbone. Right here, as you can see, is a picture of a backbone. The animals that we are going to talk about all have this in common. They all have a backbone. Okay? Here is a list of the 5 different categories of vertebrates. First, mammals. Mammals. Second, birds. Birds. Third, amphibians. Amphibians. Fourth, fish. Fish. And fifth, reptiles. Reptiles. Very good. I hope that you were able to say those words and repeat them so that you can practice your English. Okay? Let's move forward and talk about different kinds of mammals. Mammals. Here are 3 different kinds of mammals. First, we have a gorilla. Gorilla. A gorilla is a mammal. Next, whoops, sorry about that. Next is a bat. A bat is also a mammal. And third, we have dolphins. Dolphins. Dolphins are also mammals. Mammals have backbones. Okay? So a gorilla, bat, and dolphin. All 3 of these mammals have backbones. Let's go to the second category. Birds. Birds. Here are 2 examples of birds, and birds have backbones, right? So our first example is an ostrich. Ostrich. That's a very difficult word to pronounce. Ostrich. It's also a very silly looking bird, if I do say so. Next, we have an owl. Owl. Ostriches and owls are birds who have backbones. Okay? Birds have backbones. Ready? What's next? Amphibians. Amphibians. Here are 2 examples of amphibians. First, we have a frog. Frog. Next, we have a salamander. Salamander. Can you say that? That is a difficult word to pronounce. Frog, salamander. These are amphibians. Amphibians have backbones. Next, we have fish. Fish. Here are 2 examples of fish that have backbones. First is an angelfish. Angelfish. Next is a codfish. Codfish. Both of these fish have backbones. All right, Now it's time for our last category. Reptiles. Reptiles. Here are 3 examples of reptiles. First, a tortoise. Tortoise. This is a word and an animal we've talked about before. Tortoise is a difficult word to pronounce. Next, we have a snake. Snake. And last, which might be difficult for you to see because of my little video here, is a crocodile. Crocodile. Okay, so quickly to review, all of these animals that we've seen have one thing in common. They all have a backbone. What I would like you to do is send me a video of you saying the names of each category, which are these listed here: mammals, birds, amphibians, fish, and reptiles. I would also like you to give me 2 examples of each category. So for mammals, you could say gorilla and bat, or dolphin and human. For birds, you could say owl and ostrich, or you could say parrot and eagle. Okay? So I would like a video of you pronouncing these words in English, as well as giving 2 examples of each type of vertebrate. Okay? If you have any questions, you can always send me an email or message me on WhatsApp. Your parents probably have my number. Okay? I'll talk to you later.